Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's look, I'm starting off by underlining my brows. I did my actual eyebrows off camera just because I feel like you guys kind of already get the gist of how I do them. So yeah, I'm just underlining them with some concealer. Then I'm just going in with a beauty blender and just blending that concealer down onto my lid to prep for shadows. So first I went in with this blue shadow just right into my crease and a little bit above the crease. I did use the two blue shades from the James Charles Morphe palette. And then I'm just cutting the crease here just right above where my actual crease is. Then I went in with this neon orange pigment and just doing a kind of diagonal shape across my lid and right under the blue color. Then once again, I'm taking a little bit of concealer and just cutting right under the bottom of the orange just so it has a sharper edge. I then am taking the same two blue shades that I use on the upper part of my lid and using it on this lower part, just filling in whatever is left on my lid. And then I did bring it out into a sort of wing right under the orange. Then I'm just taking this black liquid liner and just outlining the outside of the orange. Then on one of the sides of the first wing, I just started another smaller one and connected it to the first larger one. And then in between the orange and the blue shadow, I'm just bringing a line down that and then applying some false lashes. Then I'm just going in with my NARS Radiant Foundation with this Real Techniques beauty sponge and just blending that into my skin. Then I'm just concealing how I normally do with the darker concealer and then a little bit of the lighter one on top. This is all pretty much the same stuff I've done in every video, but I thought I'd show you because I worked really hard on this look and I just want to be appreciated, you know? Anyways, I'm just blending in my cream contour and then I'm just gonna cut out under where I contoured on my cheeks with some translucent powder. Using my favorite blush, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. I use the darkest shade and then just wiping away the bake from under my eyes and under my cheeks. And then I'm highlighting with the Champagne Pop highlighter on my nose and on the top of my cheeks and a little bit on my chin. And then I'm just filling in my lips with this mauve nude lip liner. And then after filling my lips in, I just went in with the Desi X Katy Dose of Colors lipstick. And that's the finished look. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I hope you enjoyed.